let me tell you something that might change your life. Most men chase women, but real men, they don't chase, they attract. This video isn't just about women, it's about you, who you are, what you stand for, and how you can become a kind of man who doesn't ask for love, but becomes love itself. Let's dive deep. Simple words, big power. This might just wake up something in you. 1. The moment you ask, you lose. Most guys don't know this, but the very second you ask for intimacy, you've already lost her heart. Why? Because neediness is loud. It tells her, I'm not enough unless you say yes. But strength is silent. It whispers, I'm already whole. Think of fire. It doesn't beg to burn. It just burns, and everything is drawn to it. So, what kind of man are you? The fire, the cold one, asking for warmth? 2. A story of power. Let me tell you, from long ago, there was a Roman general, quiet, strong, respected. Women noticed him, but he didn't chase them. One night, a noble lady leaned in and said, why don't you pursue us like the Ottoman? The general looked at her and said, because I only chase wikrans from truth. She smiled. She leaned in closer and she offered herself. That night, every man saw the power of stillness. He said few words yet has spoke the loudest. 3. Fast forward to you. Now picture this, you're with her. She's laughing. She's close. There's tension in the air. Electric. You feel you want it, but then you ask. And just like that the moment dies. Why? Because asking breaks spell. It makizu, the boy seeking permission, not the man holding presents. 4. The twist. It's not about her. Here's the twist. This isn't about her. This is about you. Most men think seduction is about the woman, but it's not. It's about who, yibkum, are you still begging for, or are you becoming the man you were born to? Confident.com, complete. When ya need her, she feels safe around you. When you're silent, botcher, she's in. When your eyes speak courage, she listens. When your hands represent not desperate, she trusts you. This is the real secret. 5 examples from everyday life. Let's bring this into real life. Example 1. There's Agu at a party. Loud, always talking, always trying to impress. He's funny, but hard. Then there's another guy. Quiet, smiling. He listens, he doesn't push. Guess who she notices? Example 2. A man keeps texting. Do you like, can we talk? The other man posts a picture reading a book by the beach. Not neediness, just life. Guess which man gets the DM? Example 3. A boy in class raises his hand begging for a gold star. Another boy just does the work. The teacher sees, the world sees. You don't have to scream for value. Become valuable. 6. The rule of stillness. Let me teach you a rule. Don't rush, don't push, don't ask. Just lead with stillness. Eyes that burns low, not beg. Voice that invites, not felt. Touch that's grounded, not grabbing. And above all, detached from the outcome. If she says no, you're still good. If she walks away, you're still wool, because real men don't fall apart when people leave. They stay standing. 7. Real masculinity. Real masculinity is not loud. It's not showy. It's not pushy. It's grounded. You're a mountain. She is the river, yet move. She flows toward you. This isn't about playing games. It's about becoming the kind of man who is so strong, so sure, so alive, that she wants to stay. Not because you begged, but because you didn't have to eat. The secret. Walk away strong. Here's truth. Most never learn. The man hook and walk away is the man she begs to stay. Why? Because he's free, not angry, not bitter, just free. He doesn't chase love. He becomes love. He doesn't ask to. He lives in a way that makes people stop and look. So today, Bakameth it man. Not by trying harder, but by letting go. No more begging. No more chasing.